Welcome back. This is MoTech. In our program number 8, we are going to learn on how to accept user input by using cin. So accepting user input, this program accepts and reads user input entered by standard input device like keyboard. Figure number 15 shows our program or piece of code, and figure number 16 is our output. So let's go to our compiler and write that piece of code. Control N to create a new file in Dev C++, #include iostream using namespace std int main. This is our main function. Here we should put comment, write C++ program to receive user input. Okay, let's declare our variables. Int age, this means we'll receive age from user. String name, so this is data to be collected from user. Cout, enter your name. This for sending message to user to prompt a user to enter his or her name. Cin name. By using cin and variable declared name, this will read and receive name from user. Cout enter your age to ask user to enter his or her age. Cin age, read enter the age from user, then cout your name is name. Yeah, put space between the sentence. And your age is age. Return 0. So that is the end of our program to receive input from user. So Let's see how to save a program. Our program should be saved as user input.cpp. So compile your program, user input. Yeah, that is. So as you can see, our program has 0 errors and 0 warning. So compile it and run. So enter your name. My name is MoTech. Enter your age. I have 2, or I'm 2 old years. So your name is MoTech and your age is 2. Let's compare our output from console to the output from our book. Yeah, I hope everything is right. So that is, you can see, enter your name, MoTech, enter your age 2, your name is MoTech and your age is 2. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the next tutorial.